Hey my gators, stay tuned for a quick video. Well, it's not going to be quick. It's going to be about 6-7 minutes of me showing you how to insulate around your plugs. I am getting these face covers on, and I have a face cover that is like a hiding face cover. It's a two-part. So I'm showing you how to put those on and how, if you fear any air or draft coming through your plugs or anything like that, how you can prevent it by using a little bit of insulation and a little wood pick or something rubber, something plastic, or something wood. Do not want to use anything metal. So I'm not an electrician, but I'm showing you what I do to save on my heating bill, and so drafts of cold air don't come in and make my furnace have to work harder to heat the house. It looks a lot cleaner and a lot better, and that's what it looks like. So let me continue getting them on. Going from this undone look to, all right, let's get to the next one. All right, in the bedroom, boom. And boom, just looks so unfinished. Let's get this together, guys. Looks so much better. All right, they both are in. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Stay tuned because my outlets are crooked. I gotta figure out how to remedy that, and it's so irritating, but I still put the plates on. Let me show you. You see that? It's on there. It's secure, right? Oh, I forgot to snap it. It's secure, but this, hold on, like it's not gonna come off, but I can't get to the bottom one. They have it so sunk in, so I'm gonna try to look for longer screws, but also find out why this is like that. I just want to cover it up and didn't want it to look like it was. So it's not going anywhere because the top is screwed in, but yeah, see that? It's that screw is set so far back. If you have any ideas of what to do, I tried to unscrew it to pull it up a little bit, but they stripped the screw. So I may have to get more screws that screws this outlet into the box, and also get longer screws that screw this faceplate, gang plate into it as well. But stay tuned for all of those. These are the things you go through when you have a fixer-upper, but that one looks amazing. It came out good. These are things you go through when you have a fixer-upper. Long as it looks better and it doesn't look like it'd be, I'm fine with it. So stay tuned for the installation, installing these and putting insulation around them on the outer exterior walls where drafts might come into your home. All right, later gators, talk to me in the comments. I talk back.